In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Van-81 connection error. The first thing we need to do is restart your PC. Start by saving anything you have open, then select Restart from your Windows Power menu. Once Windows loads up again, open the Riot Client and test VALORANT. This gives Riot Vanguard a fresh startup and may immediately clear the error. If you're still getting Van-81, the next thing we're going to do is check your Windows time. Right-click your Start menu and select Settings. On the left, go to Time and Language, select Date and Time, and turn on Set Time Zone automatically, and Set Time automatically. Check that your displayed time zone is correct. If it isn't, disable the Automatic Time Zone option, and select the correct one manually. Then test VALORANT again. If it still isn't working, press the Windows key and R, and in the box that pops up, type services.msc. Scroll down, and find the service named VGC, and double-click it. Set startup type to automatic. If the service says stopped, select start. Then select apply and OK. Restart your PC and test the game. If you're still getting the error, we need to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Close out of VALORANT and exit Riot Client from the system tray. Right-click the red Vanguard icon, select Advanced, then uninstall Vanguard. Just know that any game that requires Vanguard won't launch until you reinstall it. So select uninstall, then restart your PC. Once you're back up, open the Riot Client and launch VALORANT. This will reinstall Vanguard. Once it completes, complete another restart if Riot asks you to. If Van-81 still appears, press the Windows key and R and type msconfig and press enter. Open Services and check Hide All Microsoft Services, then select Disable All. Disabling the Microsoft services can affect your Windows, so make sure you check that box first. After you disable all, scroll down and find VGC, and check that box next to it. Then select Apply, OK, and Restart. Now try and test VALORANT. The last thing we're going to do is reinstall VALORANT. First, restore normal startup in msconfig first. Press Windows R, msconfig, and press Enter, and select normal startup. Apply, OK. Now go to your search and type installed apps. Press Enter, select the three dots next to VALORANT, and choose Uninstall. Now open up the Riot Client and reinstall VALORANT. I'll include a link in the description to Riot's official website if you need to download it again. And then once it's finished, just restart your PC once it's done. If you use Vanguard Pre-Check, skip changing VGC to automatic because Vanguard intentionally starts on demand. If the error continues after reinstalling, use the Riot Repair Tool and contact Riot Support. The Van-81 connection error will now be resolved. Please consider subscribing and liking the video if you found this guide useful and to help others find this fix too.